So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. Another successful day in the mud is nearly completed. Ray Parlour voice. Cheers, guys. Big up to everybody who's watching these videos, man. The views are lit. Apparently, I was going to get less views now. I can't moan about the Arsenal games. Really, you lot are deluded if you think this channel is getting less views. If anything, it'll get more views. But thank you to everybody who does watch these videos. Big up to every single one of you who's liking the videos as well. Loads of likes, pretty much 1,000 likes or more on every single video. So thank you very much. Everyone who's sharing them, big up yourself. And everybody who's put in the comments and also the donations in as well. There's an option down there called thanks. Click on it. It's on the same line as the share option. Just scroll across and the like button. Just scroll across. If you want to do that, feel free. I'll reply to every single one of you that does do that, and I have done already. Everyone who has put it in, big up yourselves. But before we start talking about Nicola Pepe, excuse me, linked to PSG. Sorry about that. Linked to PSG. Why am I starting to cough randomly? Maybe I'm dying. I don't know. Let's talk about this goalkeeper that we have. Aaron Ramsdale, he was talking on a podcast, the Seaman podcast, and he said, if we had said at the start of the season we were chasing fourth with an outside chance, but we got fifth, I think people would have been happy. Get him out the club immediately. That is not the mindset, the mentality that we want at this football club. Apparently, we've changed the culture at this football club. Well, we clearly haven't, because we signed a goalkeeper who was trying to sit there and tell us, oh, well, if you had said at the start of the season, no, mate, how about go for a title? How about that? How about try and win? How about try and win the cups, win the trophies? That's what the aim of elite sport is. It's not to sit there and go, I think everyone would have been happy. Yeah, get out, man. Seriously, I am sick to death with these losers at this football club. None of these people have got the right mentality. In fact, the only one who has probably got the right mentality is probably Kieran Tierney. The guy's an elite level footballer, yeah, when he's fit. And he's won multiple titles. I don't care whether it's in Scotland. Still got to win them. You know, still got to win stuff. And he's our most decorated player at the football club. He gets it. He understands what it takes to win. Unfortunately, this goalkeeper doesn't. He's been relegated how many times? Sorry, mate. That ain't the attitude I want at the football club. We want somebody that says, no, if we had told at the start of the season, excuse me. There we go. If we had said at the start of the season that we would have finished fifth, then I would have said that would have been a disappointment because we want to win the title. If he'd said that, you can go, cool. That's the level we want. Instead, he's trying to sit there making out fifth's fine. Nah, mate, get out. See you later. Get rid of him, man. Yeah, I want a proper mentality at this football club. He clearly ain't got it. Leave your thoughts about that in the comment section. I think he's been our player of the season this season, by the way, before anyone starts crying. I've said he's our player of the season on multiple videos this season, and especially in the last couple of weeks anyway. But that is not the right mindset and mentality to be having at Arsenal Football Club. I'm sorry, that's an absolute disgrace that he said that. So get rid. Bye-bye. Anyway, somebody that we might be getting rid of is Nicola Pepe. Nicola Pepe has played a total of 681 minutes in the Premier League this season and 270 in the EFL Cup. Not even 1,000 minutes. 951 minutes. That is just actually mad. That is, what, 9.5 games? Total games, full games. That is actually a shambles that we have not played this guy for more than 950 minutes. What is wrong with this deal? What's happened? Why is he sat on the bench every single week? Why is it he only comes on for 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there? He'll start one game, he'll play the game, then he gets subbed. Then he'll sit on the bench again for 3 weeks. There is something moody with this deal. Yeah, I don't know what it is. But I think there is proper something moody with this deal, where maybe the former club get a load more money if he plays a certain amount of games in a row, or whether he scores goals, they'll get another load of bonuses. There is definitely something dodgy with this deal. He's managed to score 3 goals and get 6 assists this season, by the way. So 9 goal contributions, which is 1 every 100 minutes. But top gooners will have you to say, be telling you that he ain't good enough. And yeah, we are going to be getting rid of him apparently. PSG are the front runners for Nicola Pepe. So he's not good enough for Arsenal under Mikel Arteta. He's not good enough for a lot of these top gooners and super fans. Oh no, Pepe. The only reason they don't like Pepe is because if he gets in the team, normally it's at the expense of Saka, the star boy. So they prefer star boy over Pepe. Why not play both? Why not play one on each side? Ain't difficult, is it? And he's not good enough for us, not good enough for the fans, but he is, according to a lot of reports out there in a minute, the front runner for PSG. They have looked at Ousmane Dembele, and now they've looked at Pepe, and apparently Pepe is their target. So he's going to probably go and play with Neymar if this deal gets done. Mbappe has just signed a new deal. Leo Messi, yeah, I think Nicola Pepe will have fun at PSG if he goes there. I don't think he's had fun in the 3 seasons that he's been at Arsenal, do you? I think he's just been sat there thinking, why have I come here? Like, what's that all about? Why am I here? Because I think it's been a disgrace how we've treated him. I can't lie. Absolute disgrace. And good luck to him if he leaves. I'd want to see him smash it. He is 26 years old. That's another thing that people want to... Oh, but he's 26 years old. What's that got to do with anything? What's that genuinely got to do with it? He's 26 years old. Yeah, and what? It's actually mad, isn't it? Like, he should be smashing it. Well, playing more than 8 games in a row, which he's never played. I think 8 in a row is the most he has ever played. And that was last season, not the season just finished. And we might actually see a better Nicola Pepe. When you're playing somebody and they're coming on for 20 minutes here, starting the game and getting subbed after 60 minutes. Like, we see him come on against Wolves. He won the game for us. Like, the guy is dangerous. The guy can dribble past people like it's nothing. Yes, he's frustrating at times, but all players in that position are very frustrating at times when it don't come off. You know, the same people that are saying that they don't rate Nicola Pepe want Raheem Sterling at Arsenal. He's the most frustrating footballer I think I've ever witnessed. Yeah, he's one of the most greedy footballers I've ever witnessed as well. But people happily take Raheem Sterling at Arsenal. Why? Well, because he played under Pep. So if he's good enough for Pep, then Mikel Arteta he'll be good enough for. Like, these fans are absolute weirdos, man. I swear to God. I genuinely do not understand why people don't rate Pepe. Like, listen, leave it in the comment section. If you don't rate him, leave it in the comment section and tell me why. Because he has only played 8 games in a row, max. And I think he's quality, man. I really do. I think he's a top player. And yeah, sadly, it looks like he's going to be leaving the club. The fee is expected, if he does leave, to be around £25 million. There's a lot of reports over in France at the minute. Foot Mercato, La Parisiennes, they're reporting that Pepe is the man. Ousmane Dembele, sorry, was linked to them. That's gone a bit cold, apparently. And then obviously Pepe is the main guy now. And let's be real, Pepe will probably work out cheaper anyway, because Ousmane Dembele is on a fuck ton of money at Barcelona. Nicola Pepe is on about 130 grand a week, I think, which, listen, is still a great amount of money. But in comparison to Ousmane Dembele, it ain't exactly right up there as, oh, yes, he's earning too much. But yeah, it is what it is. He is going to be leaving. It's a shame how it's gone. I hope he smashes it wherever he goes. I think he's quality. And yeah, Arteta hasn't used him. So if I was him, I would be going as well. And listen, he'll probably smash it back in France, especially if he goes PSG, because we signed him from that league because he was smashing it. Now, if he goes to the best team in that league, he's guaranteed a title. He's guaranteed Champions League, and get to the latter stages of that. And he's guaranteed to be in the cup competitions till the very death as well. So why wouldn't you want to go to PSG? You're playing with Messi, Neymar, and Mbappe every week. Like, come on. And you could get all 4 of them in the team at the same time as well. Let's be real here. So yeah, fair play to him. Let me know your thoughts and comments on all of that. Let me know about Ramsdale's comments, whether you think that's loser mentality. And let me know about Nicola Pepe, whether you rate him, whether you don't rate him. Leave it in the comments. Tell me why if you don't rate him. I want to know. I'm interested to see what the viewers of this video think, rather than top gooners online. I want to see what you guys say, the people that actually watch my videos. And big up to everybody who's been sharing the videos around as well. I do appreciate it. And thank you to everybody who's put a donation in as well. mad love from all of you lot, man. I do really appreciate it. So if you want to hit the thanks option down there, just scroll across past the like button, and there is an option there, and you can put as much as you want or as little as you want, or none at all, and just hit the like button, because that is free as well. Big up to you, all of you. Arteta out.